How to cancel Shopify app subscription. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily cancel your Shopify app subscription. So if you have also taken such subscriptions inside your Shopify application and you want to cancel it for some reason, then first just head over to your Shopify account via any web browser and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, once inside your subscription, you just have to click on this icon over here and just click on this all stores, or you can also simply come out to your general section and just head over to your billing section from over here. And under the billing section, you can see all of your subscriptions. So as you can see, currently I haven't had any subscription available yet. So just head over to apps and sales channels from over here, and here you should also see all of your subscriptions for the apps that you have purchased. Since I don't have any subscriptions available in my Shopify, I'll simply show you from an example. So once you tap on this billing, and you should see all of such information. That is your current plan. So in this example, this has a basic Shopify plan for the subscription, and it also has other plans such as Amazon Importer, Spreader app. And if you want to, let's say, cancel this, here's what you need to do. So now just tap on this apps and sales channels as I mentioned previously, and then just select the applications that you want to remove or the service that you want to unsubscribe from, and just select it and just click on uninstall for the particular subscription that you want to cancel. And you should be redirected to this screen where you will be writing about why you want to uninstall it, and simply click on uninstall after you mentioning your reasons. And once you again head over to your billing address, and once you are on this page, you should see that you don't have any subscriptions available if you have that particular subscription removed. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.